Hey guys, just pulling up the carpet on these stairs. Installers are gonna staple this stuff in because you can't really get tack strip and stretch it. So a good pair of these dikes are really good, and you can get down into the nap of the carpet, kind of start a corner like that, and then once you bite on it, it should just peel back. Obviously they have it stapled in several directions. You can see, like for example, these staples right here is what you've got. So be real careful when you're putting your knees down if you don't have knee pads on, stuff like that. But once you get a corner, all of this stuff comes off really easily. You just got to pay attention. Come back if anything gets left in the wood. Just take a hammer and knock those guys down so they're flush.